Good day everyone, I'm Sto.Domingo and I will do different kind of tuples, which is update tuples, unpack tuples, loop tuples, join tuples, and tuple methods. Let's start. Before we start, what is tuples? Tuples in Python are immutable sequence sets, meaning that once they are created, their elements cannot be changed. They are often used to group related data together. And first, we will do update tuples. In programmings, we will use programmings, and then first type def update underscore tuple parenthesis original underscore tuple comma index comma new value, then enter temp underscore list equal list parenthesis original underscore tuple, then enter if we will do if statement 0 is greater equal index greater len parenthesis temp underscore list, then colon enter temp list square bracket index equal new value, then enter else colon print index out of range colon, then enter, then type return original underscore tuple, then enter, we will do update underscore tuple equals tuple parenthesis temp under list, then enter return, then updated underscore tuple, then enter, we'll do another one my tuple is equal parenthesis 1 2 3 and 4 5. We will use this as the original tuple. Index underscore 2 update is equal int, which is parenthesis double parenthesis type input, then in inner parenthesis we will put enter the index of the value you want to update, then we'll put 0 to 4, which is their indexes. New value equals input parenthesis enter the new value colon, then update underscore tuple is equal update tuple my tuple index to update new value, then enter print updated tuple colon comma updated underscore tuple, then run. You see there's an error, so we will fix that. The first we forgot to put underscore in new value, so we will put that. Then run again. We will put 6 the new value. We'll try to run it first out of index because we put 6. This one only 1 to 5. And again, we're gonna put 4, then new value is 6. There's an error, so we will update that. Okay. I'm just finding the error. In error update was not defined. You mean updated tuple. Always reminder for the, always check the misspelling, okay? So 6, and new value 6 out of range, which is good. We're gonna type 4, then new value is 6, and that's all. That's how update tuple works and to do it. So we're gonna do right now is unpack tuples. Let's start. First, type def unpack underscore tuples, parenthesis, colon, then user underscore input equals input, parenthesis, double quotation, enter a tuple, then another quotation, look, another parenthesis, example 1, 2, 3, then colon. Then we will do try, colon, user underscore tuple equals eval, parenthesis, user under input, then if is instance parenthesis, user underscore tuple comma tuple colon, then A B C equals user tuple print parenthesis F, then double quotation, unpack values, colon, A is equal to curly brackets A, then same to B and C. We will do here, we are doing here if else, so in else we will print the input is not a tuple. Okay, we will back to try, then except syntax error comma name error, then print invalid input dot, please try enter a valid tuple. So we're gonna back on that, unpack underscore tuple parenthesis, we'll do it 1, 2, and 3. It's not a tuple, so we need to put commas. That's how to do tuple, unpack tuple. If you want to do 4, we will update that by adding B. 4. You need to also add the print letter D and curly bracket, which is consists of D. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's how to do unpack tuples. So we will do right now is loop tuple. Okay. So in loop method, loop tuple, type def type def create underscore tuple parentheses then colon then enter, then type user underscore input, then equal input parentheses double quotation enter the value separated by commas. Then another parenthesis, you can include numbers. Then colon, then enter. Type values underscore list space equal user underscore input. Type a dot split parenthesis single quotation then comma sa loob. Then enter. Values underscore tuple equals square bracket then enter ulit for value in values underscore list, then value is equal to value that's strip parenthesis, then we will do try colon then type if single quotation then comma in value values underscore tuple dot append double parenthesis in first parenthesis type float, then sa susunod put value type value then another tuple ulit using if else, then values underscore tuple dot append double parenthesis then type int then value